Step 1. Unfold the sides of the commode to the front of the commode. Step 2. Insert the front frame into receptacle on each side. Step 3. Push in the locking button on front frame and insert completely into receptacle until it locks into place. Do the same for the other side. Step 4. Insert the backrest into the frame of the chair. The bend in the backrest faces to the rear. Step 5. Push in the locking button on the backrest and insert completely into receptacle until it locks into place. Do the same for the other side. Step 6. Adjust the leg by pushing in the locking button and turning the leg slightly. Slide the leg to the desired height and turn back until the locking button snaps into place. Repeat this process for the remaining legs. Step 7. Snap the seat and cover onto the rear frame. Step 8. Make sure the seat and cover are centered on the rear frame. Step 9. Raise the cover and seat to place the bucket or the splash guard into the bucket bracket. The splash guard is in use when the commode is being used over the